Many of you saw my video on cutting glass tile and that I had a notch in the featured image and thought that that video would show you how to do that. Unfortunately, it did not. You let me know, and so now I'm going to show you how to cut a rounded notch in a tile. So that's how you cut it, but if you're not familiar with how to use the saw, here's some of the fundamentals on how to make the cut. So a tile saw, I don't want you to be cavalier about this, but a tile saw is not quite as dangerous as, say, like a chop saw. For example, this blade right here. Like, I can touch that blade, okay? So it's not the end of the world. You know, if I did that with a chop saw, like you cut wood with, I'd be going to the hospital right now. So I don't want you to think of these things as toys, but again, it's not the worst thing in the world if you get your fingers up close. I usually put my elbows like down on the frame here. You can't see that right here. And then just come in and I move my hands this way, and you can move them in and out. Don't be down here, okay? If you're down here, especially if you're down in like this area, it'll take your tile and bling it away. So stay right here, stay up this way. You can raise this up if you want a little more clearance, and you can stay right here and get that inside corner. Then you can hit this with like 100 grit diamond pad and have a nice smooth cut. Go to DIYTileGuide.com, sign up for the email list, and download your copy of the Exact Batch Cheat Sheet, which has the exact ratio of thin set powder and water for you to mix a perfect batch of mortar every time.